The beginning of digital forms of money denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so on had their own advantage fad to advance. Nonetheless, they're actually hit a test of openness, straightforwardness, and enormous exchange expenses. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of designers. They understood that the gigantic capability of Bitcoin could be additionally saddled ideally through a hard fork, in this manner expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin money, the innovative subtleties. The essential target of Bitcoin money was to resolve the issues concerning rising exchange charges and debates encompassing versatility in the blockchain, keeping in context shared exchanges as the centralized server and security as the critical purposes. This BCH was ready to work with the expansion in block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, accordingly accomplishing a dramatically fast of exchange process. Bitcoin money BCH cost depends on cryptographic techniques that depend on zero revelation proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any authentic information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Subsequently, security snags are captured first. A striking trait of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of additional exchanges on the organization. Bitcoin money. Functionalities of standard reception. Once BCH made its presence felt and conspicuous, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to finance English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the advanced bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. Bitcoin money specialized investigation. Understanding the lowdown. A profound entrance into the raw numbers of Bitcoin money has a through and through various story to uncover, notwithstanding having huge future outcomes, likewise potential, and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size. The token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size versus its rivals. A significant explanation, in this way, is that the two financial backers and diggers side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The designers required a ton of redoing to show greater spryness and rolling out extremist improvements to the task's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Nonetheless, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and unequivocally connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, soon after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astonishing that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astounding level definitely. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are mind-boggling instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital currency skip to a gigantic level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender instead of a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, an ensuing revision cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a memorable high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. Being quite possibly of the most established player in the digital money market, Bitcoin money value, the posterity of Bitcoin, has acquired confided in validity among big business organizations. Its convention's genuine applications have likewise covered various significant classifications that undertaking organizations might actually be keen on. What's more, Bitcoin money's huge local area of designers, which deals with the blockchain's convention upgrades, could be considered by big business organizations as a mechanical advantage. With Bitcoin money showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto world experts who immovably accept that Bitcoin money, upheld by an essential strong algorithmic science and a reliable past exhibition, can be wise speculation guidance, however, provided that contributed brilliantly with the right cost measure. As per Guaj Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto Goliaths as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH Value Forecast, it can generally ultimately depend on $280.62 as greatest cost in 1 year. As indicated by the principal examination and cost figure, regardless of its reception, the BCH coin will more often than not face heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin money cost expectations that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up around $126. In light of our Bitcoin cash cost figure, it is a terrible long-haul venture. Your venture might be debased from now on. Aside from the ongoing devoted series of designers and researchers, BCH has teamed up with many regarded accomplices to foster the Bitcoin People Group drive. These ventures incorporate Bitcoin Limitless, Bitprim, Nchain, Bitcrust, Electromax, Equality, and Bitcoin XT. Bitcoin Money ABC got enrolled in the Gemini trade, drove by the Winklevoss siblings, with NYDFS endorsement. Likewise, the quantity of exchanges for Bitcoin Money appeared to be developing dramatically. Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV didn't figure out how to acquire a lot of fame. In any case, both of these coins are as yet accessible in each significant cryptographic money trade. The Bitcoin Money Project Group is on a forceful binge to upgrade its advancement and improvement exercises. Breaking liberated from the conventional method of activity, the group is effectively considering some progressive infrastructural upgradation. Aside from the ongoing wallet support, the Bitcoin Money People Group has likewise tried a beta wire tipping bot, TipMemchBot, which empowers message clients to tip different clients utilizing BCH. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin Money BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $379 toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As previously mentioned, Bitcoin Money cost is the posterity of BTC. It is set to follow similar impressions and cost activity as well. Assuming the Bitcoin cost is going vertical, the BCH cost, as well, will profit from that in practically no time. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2023 going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been straying from its way typically every 2 or 3 years. In 2023, Bitcoin Money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the greatest cost, as per Bitcoin Money Cost Forecast 2023. There is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin Money causing a slight recuperation. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost force and crosses the $250 mark. There is no such thing as Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2024 expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin Money will manage the crypto market with a presentation cost fixed around $347.50 in the long-term end. Bitcoin Money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50, with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin Money has the maximum capacity to maintain and reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, according to our BCH cost expectations. There will be an extraordinary change in the Bitcoin Money cost estimate when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2025 assuming the BCH cost endures for an extremely long period and mass reception gets numbered. It is, definitely, conceivable that Bitcoin Money will be altogether more than its unequaled high in view of our BCH cost expectation.